Check out this 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Nice looking two-door hardtop here. I'd explain this kind of as a little bit of a resto mod look to this car, with the way the stance is on the side, a little larger wheels in the back to the front. Powered by a 455 underneath the hood with fuel injection. Very healthy engine. Has been gone through recently. If you'd like to know more about this car, feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Like I said, 455 underneath the hood, fuel injection, power steering, power brakes. And the other reason I kind of say it gives you a little bit of a resto mod look is if you look at the front bumper, it's got that kind of monocolor look where it's painted to match the car, same as the rear. And then it's got some smoked side glass and rear windows, so it's kind of got that murdered out look. So kind of a cool looking 72 Cutlass here. Very healthy sounding also. Riding on some American Racing polished aluminum wheels. The 455 is teamed up with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also has had bucket seats added here. These are Pro Car seats. Nice adjustable backrests on them. Form fitted, very nice seats. Rear seats appear to be stock. Majority of the dash also stock, still retains the original radio, and then has a couple aftermarket gauges and aftermarket radio underneath the dash there. You can check out the still pictures if you'd like to see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, trunk. Take a look at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Slip around to the back here and talking about on that rear bumper with the kind of the monocolor look, painted to match the rest of the car. Gives it a nice clean look. You can see how straight this car is up and down the side of it. Paint has a nice luster to it. Would I say the paint's perfect? No, but very, very showable. Nice luster to it. Straight car. One I wouldn't be afraid to show. Wouldn't be afraid to take any local cruise-ins, roll-ins, what have you, or just out for some fun. And I fired up and you'll hear it. You'll see what I mean by having some fun. Just so you know, we do consider trades. Financing would be available on this car. And we can also assist with transportation to where you're located at. If you'd like to inquire about any of those things, once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Slip around here to the driver's side, take a look at this interior so you can see it a little bit better. As you can see, door cards, carpeting, all that pretty much stock, the way you would have seen it come from Oldsmobile. And a little better look at the seats here. Nice form-fitted bucket, and then the rear seats appear to be the stock. As you can see, seat belts are all intact in this car yet. Center console, that automatic shifter on the floor. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Like I said, very healthy sounding 455 in this. There's that stock radio and controls. Does have a tachometer added to the dash there. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. How nicely that door closes. Very healthy sounding. Car will get up and go too. I've driven it a little bit. It's very responsive, let's put it that way. Let's slip around here to the front. Pause the video here a second. We'll pop that engine bay so you can check it out and see that engine running. Alright, get the engine open. You can see it's finished off nice and tastefully underneath there. Carries through kind of with that shadow gray look as far as paint and the shroud there. See how smooth that thing runs. So, 455, power steering, power brakes, Vitec fuel injection system. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And like I said, once again, you can call us 507-386-1726. Financing's available. We do consider trades, and we'll sure be happy to assist you with transportation. Give us a call.